How to convert your YouTube video into notes using AI. Hi guys, are you looking for an AI that can change your YouTube videos into notes and you are tired of searching all over the internet? Then you are in the right place. Here I'm going to tell you that how you can convert your YouTube videos into notes using AI. So let's dive into the process without wasting any time. You can easily access this interface that is visible on my screen by clicking the link in my description box. And once you click the link in my description box, you're going to land over here on this interface. Then what you have to do is just go to YouTube and copy the link that you want to change into notes, and then what you have to do is come to this box and just paste over here the YouTube link that you want to convert into notes, and you can choose language over here. I have chosen English, and then just click summarize, and in no time your notes would be ready. Here you can see that it has converted my video into notes. So that was an easy process, and I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.